Today we will be learn the 10th standard, the subject Science and Technology. The chapter name is Periodic Classification of Element. So, in the previous lecture, we are studying the some part of this chapter. We are know that the classification of elements. The first scientist name is Dobereiner. Their rule name is Dobereiner traits. Then next we are know that the scientist name is Newlands. So their rule name is or laws name is Newland's laws of octaves. Okay. So the next point or next part of this chapter is a Mendeleev periodic table. So next scientist, the classification of elements. The name of this scientist is the Mendeleev. So Mendeleev periodic table. He arranged the 63 elements. He arranged the 63 elements at that time, known at that time in a increasing order of atomic mass. Increasing order of atomic mass. Increasing order of atomic mass. Okay, then the elements with physical and chemical properties. The elements with physical and chemical properties are periodic functions. Periodic functions of their atomic masses. The elements arranged in the increasing order, so their physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties, their periodic function. Periodic function is a atomic masses. Periodic functions of there is a atomic masses. Okay, depends upon the atomic masses. Then the Mendeleev periodic tables. In this periodic table, the vertical columns. Vertical columns and horizontal rows. Vertical columns and horizontal rows. So this vertical column they call group. The vertical columns they call groups, and horizontal rows call periods. The vertical columns call them groups, and the horizontal column rows call period. Okay, so this is a Mendeleev periodic table. The arrangement vertical column and horizontal rows. So we are discussing about the merits of the Mendeleev periodic table. The merits of Mendeleev periodic table. Merits. The first merit is the Mendeleev periodic table. The first merit is the some elements change their previously determined atomic mass. Previously determined atomic mass. For example, beryllium. The beryllium previous atomic mass is a 14.09. Previously atomic mass is a 14.09. They convert into 9.6 atomic mass. Okay, this is a 14.09 is a previously atomic mass, and after the change is the 9.6, 9.4. Okay, this is the first merits. Second merits, some vacant places in the periodic table for elements that were yet to be discovered. Some vacant places in the periodic table. Some vacant places in the periodic table for the element that were yet to be discovered. After discover, they will be placed them. After discover, this element placed in the Mendeleev periodic table. There are three, and these elements, the name is the three of these unknown elements were given the names Ika boron, then Ika aluminium, then Ika silicon. Okay, so unknown elements, name of this Mendeleev periodic or Mendeleev: Ika boron, Ika aluminium, and Ika silicon. These are the name of these three elements. Then after the discover, the name of this element is, after the discover, the name of this element, the first Ika boron, the similar properties of scandium. It is a physical and chemical property. After the discover, like this scandium. Then aluminium is a gallium. After the discover, the name of the Ika aluminium is a gallium. And after the discover, the name of this Ika silicon is called the germanium. The similar properties of scandium, gallium, and germanium as to the Ika boron, Ika aluminium, and Ika silicon. Okay. Then next merits, after the discover, the noble gases without disturbing the original periodic table were placed very well. No any disturb in the modern Mendeleev periodic table. They placed in the modern Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, this is the next merits. Then the next point is the demerits. Some demerits also in the Mendeleev periodic table. We know that the merits: first, the previous atomic masses change into new determined new atomic masses. Then some unknown elements they name, and after the discover they have same physical and chemical properties. Then some demerits also in the Mendeleev periodic table. The first demerits is of Mendeleev periodic table is cobalt and nickel have the same whole number of atomic mass. Their ambiguity regarding their sequence. Second, a change was in placing isotopes. In the Mendeleev periodic table. As the isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses. Then next demerits. Hydrogen shows the similar properties of. Next, the hydrogen similar properties of. First group, the alkali metals, as well as the seventh group, the halogens. The halogens, it is a difficulty to decide the correct position of hydrogen. It is a decide to correct position of hydrogen. Okay, so these are the demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, today we will be studying the first. What is the Mendeleev periodic arrangement of Mendeleev periodic table, their merits and their demerits. Okay, our homework is write down the Mendeleev periodic table merits, some merits and some demerits in our notebook. Okay, thank you.